plane going overhead. Stunning. Temperatures are up to about 60 already. That is Wayne's F6C, John's Super Hawk 996 with the highly illegal slick front tyre. It's loud and obnoxious, but not quite as loud and obnoxious as Doug's bike. Just,
what are you trying to say?
I think, well, Charlie said it matches your personality, but I'm not really sure about that. So.
I didn't say anything that wasn't true, did I?
Hey, John.
Hello, Ride On people.
It's time.
Oh, it's time? No, we're not doing the truth or dare again.
It's time. I want to play a game. No, we're not playing the Date, Marry, Sleep. And we're not playing. It's obvious.
Okay.
Oh, there's always one. There's always one that wants you to edit your video. What state has the highest percentage of smokers?
Kentucky.
Yes. Yeah. What state has the highest crime rate? Alaska.
Oh, really?
Which is where I'm going for my vacation this year. Yeah. So it's just.
There's a lot of people there.
And that's it. And I declare Mr. Doug the winner.
Hi, Ride On people.
However, on a separate occasion, I did actually feel the collar of the law.
Away.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, baby.
And there was a theory that it tasted better as a result of all the movement in the barrel. My charity I chose was Camp Southern Ground that we donate to. So,
Awesome.
And I I've known Zach for years, but I've never been down to Camp Southern Ground.
It's just ride often, carefully, ride on.
Why am I going first?
Because you're the oldest.
I'm the oldest. Frankly, I don't give a damn.
I don't give a damn.
That would be that's one of my favorite movies about the South. Academy Award winner. I give.
Written in Atlanta. Gone with the Wind. 1939. Okay. What we got here is failure to communicate. That would be Cool Man Luke in the movie. Yes, and he's already surpassed Charlie's score. If you build it, they will come.
Field of Dreams?
Yeah.
Good, all right.
You had me at hello.
That's Jerry Maguire.
Yeah. So Doug, who is the quiz champion, as we know,
always wins, doesn't he?
He's never lost yet.
I've only got 3 questions.
I only played once. I got lucky. You never lost. You never lost. You never lost. You never lost.
All right. I'm the king of the world.
I'm king of the world. It's top of the world.
Here's a clue.
Paul Hogan. That's not a knife.
Well,
You don't know that scene from Crocodile Dundee?
Well, he does live on the other side of the world from where I was born, but
Yeah, but it's part of the empire. It's colonies.
okay.
Luke, I'm your father. It's a good one. That's a good one.
He's already named 5.
The Empire Strikes Back.
That's supernatural. That's exactly what I was going to ask you. It's right there.
Really?
It's right there.
I'm your father?
I am your father.
I get 2 points for that. How about these are not the droids you see, right?
I think we have.
I gotta get 2 points for that.
And the quiz king, Doug.
Ride on. Ride on. Ride on.
Hand assembled by one engineer for this kind of money. You just can't. That's why it's such a bargain.
You get the idea. It will get away.
Yeah.
Quick.
Sounds fantastic as well.
Yeah,
that's just so nice.
And really, I probably shouldn't be doing that because we haven't done our first 500 miles.
Well,
because of that right there.
Fortunately, you did it exactly the right time.
That's right.
Just
Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.
was a little bit slutty, and then
I felt like a 1-900 number.
Yes, it was a bit. Yeah.
That wasn't like.
Call Amanda. I'm free anytime.
Hey, Matt.
Joystick it or whatever you want. So you touch home, it brings you to this menu. You can toggle over to vehicle setting, push enter, and then you toggle down to suspension preload.
Where are Indian motorcycles manufactured?
In the United States of America.
Ride often, ride safely, ride on.
Triumph.
Yes.
1902.
The Triumph Cycle Company was registered in 1886 and produced its first motorcycle in 1902. Good call. Who do you think?
Final answer?
Out of all of our friends, who's had the most problems and with what bike?
Indian?
Who's had problems with their bikes? I'll give you a clue.
Davidson.
Right.
Okay. Your first clue was Rich said, "You're probably going to get this, Jerry." And I can't believe you didn't answer Harley.
What manufacturer's stock value dropped 13% in this year's first quarter?
Harley Davidson.
And it's continued to fall. It's in the low 40s.
Okay.
Okay? You enjoyed it? It is a lot of fun, isn't it? That smile says it all. Alright, so we're off to Blue Waters Lodge. Just love this road.
Kate Beckinsale in Van Helsing or Uma Thurman in Kill Bill?
Kate Beckinsale.
Angelina Jolie or Jennifer Garner? Okay. What do you say, Jerry? You'd like a bit of Halle Berry. Okay, so I give you the album and you tell me the artist. She was married to a very famous country singer, Mr. Blake Shelton, the blonde with the big voice, Miranda Lambert.
Now ride quality wise, of course, they're now using Showa suspension. Showa, if you don't know, is a subsidiary of Honda, and I think Honda know a thing or two about making motorcycles that perform well reliably for a very long time. So no qualms there, it's a good move. You know, very, very tidy by Harley standards, and actually very tidy by anyone's standards. The bike doesn't require much counter steering to steer. The bars feel very stable, and the front and the rear end really complement each other. And I'm kind of tempted to say, I think along with maybe the Roadster Sportster, this is probably the best handling Harley I've ridden.
I really like the fit and finish and feel of them, and it was over 90 degrees, and I was surprised you could actually feel the heat flowing away from them.
Leave me anywhere, oh, let me be, oh, let him go.
The Cherokee runs through two national forests, the Cherokee and the Nantahala. So if you combine those two, you get the Cherokee. So tell them where you've been.
I went to actually Nova Scotia, then took a ferry over to Newfoundland, drove all the way up to the western tip where Leif Erikson supposedly landed before Columbus, turned around and went home. It was a great trip, 7,025 miles, 21 days, average 325 miles a day.
Pro shifter, but in this, guys, I mean, look at it. It's just cake. Really, really nice. great bike to hit the white line and yellow line on, or just inside. Just holds a perfect line around these bends. It's very, very nice, very accomplished.
I haven't even heard this bike.
Yeah.
It looks so nimble.
Yeah, very, very light. I think it's brand new. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. You are getting the break-in ride.
That's right. Yeah. I wonder how Jerry's getting on. Looks like a bicycle, doesn't it, with him on top. Pretty awesome little bike though. I enjoyed riding that.
Despite this, we felt that trips that test your mettle and resolve are often the most memorable. They change our lives from purely existing to that of living. We'll be back in the spring to ride the mountains further to the north, but for now, we just enjoyed having a section of the Blue Ridge Parkway all to ourselves. And what price that?
This is recording?
I do not want to be on it.
What?
Because.
Why?
I don't look the best.
What is this on the back?
The diamond band.
I'm sitting.
You might want to sit down.
Which, this is your package, so I'm supposed to ask you?
Don't give me a double
It's
chin.
like flashcards? Do I ask you or show you?
Yeah, you ask me.
Where are they? Oh, do I show the cards?
No, you just film me.
Okay.
6K services and putting fresh tyres on each time. So Timmy the T-Rex has really enjoyed riding on the bike for the last several thousand miles, and it really hasn't missed a beat.
If you're thinking about buying one, don't even think about it, just do it. It's a no-brainer.
Okay, so ride on, what is it?
Often, ride carefully, ride on.
Ride often, carefully, ride on.
Don't matter if you get it wrong. It's fine.
Ride often, ride carefully, ride on. There you go.
How good was that?
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.